Hey guys, Ricardo here, and in today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to install an app on your Galaxy Watch. All right, so go ahead and wake up your device, and of course, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. You're going to swipe up, and once you swipe up, guys, you're going to go and you're going to look for the Google Play Store. It's right here, so I'm going to tap. All right, so you're going to tap. So once I tap the Play Store, make sure you're on Wi-Fi. Make sure everything is okay. Then, of course, you can scroll through and you should be able to see apps. So you can search or you can discover new apps. Now there are several options here. I'm going to search for something that's useful that I can actually use on my device. All right, so here I found a useful app. It's called Easy Voice Recorder, which could come in handy to leave yourself memos and so on. So I'm going to try this out. I've never tried it before. All right. Now it says here it also requires the mobile app, and of course it needs to be connected to work. All right, so what it's saying is that in order for this to work, it needs a companion app on your device or phone. So if you um, want to, you can set to say that it will require the companion app always, and all I have to do to install is go ahead and check that option. All right, so once it's finished installing, anything needs to be done, it will come on your phone. You just need to confirm. Or of course, you could just go ahead after finishing and then you can launch your app from in the app tray. All right, so that pretty much sums it up in terms of showing you what to do in order to get a app on your device. All right, which is the Galaxy Watch. Should work for any one of them that you have. All right, so do hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.